Welcome to Hospitality Engineering, launching new course, your gateway to mastering hotel construction cost estimation, with industry-best BOQ practices and real-world application. Let's get started. Hotel construction isn't just about bricks and mortar. It demands accuracy, brand alignment, and technical expertise. Even small estimation errors can lead to costly delays. That's why this course is built to equip you with the right skills, from day one. You'll explore core estimation principles, hands-on quantity takeoffs, detailed labor and material analysis, and advanced MEP and site work estimation, all tailored to hotel projects. The course is structured into 16 targeted modules, taking you step by step from estimation basics, to BOQ preparation, through structural and finishing works, and finally to advanced MEP and project summaries. Whether you're a hospitality engineer, a civil professional, a quantity surveyor, or a project manager, if you're involved in hotel construction, this course is for you. Each concept is broken down with PowerPoint-based video explainers, real case examples, structured slides, and downloadable BOQs, so you're not just watching, you're learning by doing. This course blends foundation-level theory with practical application and real-world analysis. You'll not only learn the what and why, but also the how. Join our expert mentor-led weekend workshops, featuring virtual walkthroughs of real hotel sites, job site photos, and active estimation cases, bringing theory to life. Learn the fundamentals. Apply proven estimation techniques. And then implement them directly on live or future hotel construction projects. We bridge the gap between classroom and construction site. Learn. Estimate. Implement. Join us today and take the next confident step in your hotel construction journey. We'll see you inside. Thank you for watching. Want to learn more and get certified? Register now on our LMS portal. https://hegsdc.com. Like, share, subscribe and comment to Hospitality Engineering for more updates.